Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today in this video we are going to start cleaning out my new project car. I picked up this 96 Honda Civic. If you did not see the video prior, I picked it up for $1,260. It has 225,000 miles, I think. The odometer stopped working, stopped rolling over. The speedo still works, so I'll be looking at that. But overall, it is in pretty good condition, other than the faded paint and being really dirty inside. But yeah, I got my hose here, my bucket. Let's get this thing cleaned up from the outside and then start working on the interior. Alright, got the exterior and the bay cleaned out. Look how clean this is. Took the overflow out and cleaned it the best I could. But yeah, this looks 100 times better. I'll insert a clip when I first bought it, so you can see the difference. On the exterior, it's looking a lot better. There's some glue residue or some kind of like sticky stuff all on this fender. Oh, there's a little bit right there, but got mostly off. Clear coat's just peeling. I mean, there's nothing to do about that right now. Right here at the bottom of the door, nice and clean. Clear coat, it's good there. But pretty much the top of the car, all the clear coat is gone. So next step is to start cleaning out the interior. There's a lot of stuff he left in here. Go through it, grab a garbage bag, start throwing things away, and then wiping it down. So let's get on to that. Alright, just got done cleaning up everything. Been out here since 1 and it's 6 o'clock. Last clip you saw me open the trunk. I looked in a little bit when I bought it, but it rained pretty hard this last week, so there was water at the bottom. When I was looking at the car, I noticed these two little spots right here and here of rust. Not that bad for the whole car, but then when I was cleaning out, I noticed this part right here. But we'll take care of that. It shouldn't be a big deal. Got most of this out. There was a bunch of rust from old jumper cables that were sitting in there. But yeah, it's looking really good. And the interior turned out pretty good too. I need to get carpet cleaner and clean it out, but the seats are in great condition other than a couple burn marks on the back seat. But other than that, pull this. Interior turned out pretty good. This cup holder had a lot of stuff in it. I can probably clean out a little bit better. I just got all the pennies and coins that were stuck at the bottom out, so I didn't re-wipe it down. But yeah, everything's pretty good. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you're enjoying this new build I got going on and project. Leave a comment down below what you think. Leave a thumbs up. And until next time, peace out.